The dog accidentally fell in love with his own mistress. When he saw the woman standing before him with nothing to hide, his eyes lit up and he almost lost control. Wanting to claim her entirely for himself, the husky gave birth to a dark, forbidden idea. First, he went after the woman's husband. Catching him off guard, the dog pounced with terrifying force. Before the man could react, his life was drained away, and that's when something strange happened. After tasting human blood, the husky transformed into a human-like form. Unable to resist, he approached the sleeping woman. Seeing her beauty so close, all his pent-up instincts